Here we are with my first time putting on individual lashes. Okay, so I learned some things here, okay? So what I did learn is, hey beauties, what's going on? It's been a good minute since I've done a bathroom video, so you know we about to get into some beauty. So 2 years ago, I made a lash video that is still cranking views to this day. Okay, so I was comparing the Kiss and the Duo lashes with strip lashes, and I said long time ago that I was going to do a video doing individual lashes, and got the Ardell Double Up lashes, then I got the Ardell the Lash Trio, then I got the Soft Touch Trio. Each pack comes with a row of short lashes, a row of medium lashes, actually 2 rows of short and 2 rows of medium. I want to go with the trio for my own safety. Let's try the Soft Touch Trio. Let's just see how these do, okay? And the glue I have today is the Duo glue. I know y'all will comment below and let me know if there's another glue I should be using, because I trust y'all. Thanks, y'all. What I am going to do is I'm going to put some of this Duo, I got the dark tone strip lash adhesive. It even says strip lash on it. Now come on, so now you know this ain't the one you should be using. But anyway, so I'm gonna pour some of that into this plastic container just to make it easy for me to dip these individuals in the glue. So we're gonna start with the outer corner of the eye. Wish I could just tweeze this daggone pimple away. All right, I'm a little nervous. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm a little nervous. Just a little. So here goes what one of the little lashes look like. Can y'all see? I can barely see. Anyways, so here it go. I'm gonna dip it in the glue. I'm gonna like wave it some so it could dry. Okay, so I've been seeing the girlies do it under the eyelash. So I'm gonna try that, y'all. I'm gonna try that, and we just gonna pray for my eyes in this journey. Okay, we know I need them. If this is too difficult under the eye, I'm gonna go over the eye. I'm gonna put a little bit more glue. Let's just pray. Oh my gosh, how am I about to do this, y'all? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all know I'll be blinking. I'm a blinker, so I'm gonna do like this. Oh God. Is it on? Y'all, what y'all got me out here doing? What do y'all got me out here doing? It look like it's on, y'all. Do I gotta hold it? Nah, I ain't got no clamp thing. So I'm gonna just use my finger. Y'all, it looking to feel like it's on, so let's move on. I'm gonna try this one again because that wasn't it. The way doing individual lashes is set up requires a lot of patience, especially if you're someone who already has very curly eyelashes. It requires a steady hand. It requires good placement of the lashes. Okay. After a few tries, I believe that you will get the hang of putting on individual lashes. You just have to see it through. I'm feeling good. I am now going to start. So I'm right here with the last lash. So now I'm gonna start putting in the short lashes, and we're gonna see what it do. I lied. I'm gonna do another medium. We got space. Here we are with my first time putting on individual lashes. Okay, so I learned some things here, okay? So what I did learn is I need them little tweezers, the angled tweezers. That's one thing. I need the angled tweezers. And also there's a bit of, I did a little bit of overlapping. So just being careful and mindful of overlapping the lashes, which is okay. You know, y'all know I'm not about to do this over. It's just gonna be, it is what it is for this eye. And we're gonna just make it better on this eye. And then also just learning to come in a little closer when bringing in the short ones. And I only needed 2 short ones. I'm not going to add another one all up in here. I mean, I could, but I just don't think it's necessary. But we'll see how I feel later on. I'll let y'all know if I do decide to add one. So with what I've learned, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye.
Okay, Elsa.
All done. No 2 eyelashes are alike, okay? Okay. I think this ain't bad. For my first go around, I feel like this is not bad. I did tell y'all, like over here, I had overlapped some things. And over here, I didn't. So this one may look a little thicker than this one. But overall, I feel like for my first time, this was good. I am gonna do just a little bit more research about glues, like different types of glues. Also, y'all have any suggestions for glues, drop them in the comments below. And also, hold on, y'all stay tuned, because I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna sleep on these. We gonna see how they look tomorrow morning and see how they last, okay? Because I would prefer it last a few days. That would be nice for all the work I just did. I'm sure the more I do it, the easier it'll get. But it was just getting those like first time kinks out. May take a second or third time for me to get it. But anyways, y'all stay tuned to see how these lashes held up. Y'all, I just woke up. I put a little water just to get the eye crust off around my eyes. But look at my lashes. They did not last overnight, y'all. So I'm gonna wash my face and I am going to fix this, okay? So I was gonna go to the store and buy some more glue, but there's a YouTuber and she used Duo glue, so I'll be back, y'all. I just went ahead and did them all over, and we're gonna see how they hold up. So I'll be back to check in. Y'all, look at my face. Anybody have anything for these dark marks? I've been breaking out. I'm stressed, so my skin is really taking on a lot right now. So if anybody has any recommendations for getting rid of dark spots, like a face wash or the healing clay, something, please drop it in the comments below. All right, y'all, it is now the nighttime, and I had to shut my eye. My eye was bothering me. Y'all, I think I'm gonna have to take these off. These cute. One did fall off today, a smaller one, but I'm gonna have to take these off. I'm just gonna take these off because my eyes feeling irritated now. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow because I'm actually going out tomorrow and I want to see how these hold up going out. But yeah, okay. See, yeah, my eyes irritated, so these are coming off. Now I will say, with my eye tearing up, these things are coming right off, y'all. Like right off. Woo, y'all. Dangerous out here, for me at least. These don't do look cute though, I ain't gonna hold you. I mean, it's not a super big difference from my natural eyelashes, but it does give a little bit of extra length. Y'all see that? It does give a little bit of extra length. But look, even this side that's not wet, these things is coming off easy. So who knows if I had them on properly? Probably not. But you couldn't tell with it being under my lashes. Just trying to make sure there's like no glue sitting lash line that could be disrupting my eyes. Whew, y'all. I might have to do strip lashes tomorrow. I don't know if I got the patience to do this again. I'm back again with these lashes. So this time I'm gonna use a mirror. I'm gonna look down and put them on top of my lash line, and we gonna see how this goes, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna do this, y'all. Y'all, someone on YouTube made this look so easy, and I really felt like, you know what? I'm gonna be able to do it. It's gonna take some time,
But baby, it wasn't giving. It literally just was not giving. And my patience was running low. So I got out my strip lashes and I said, you know what? Let's just save some time and endurance and go ahead and put the strip lashes on. Now, I'm not going to say strip lashes are a walk in the park for me, but what I can say is they are easier than putting on individual lashes for me, okay, for me. Now, my natural eyelashes are very, very curly, so trying to get strip lashes on can be a bit of a project, as you can see. And also sometimes I need to wait for the glue to get a little bit more tacky. So that is what I have learned with putting on lashes.
I don't know if it's because I have my nails on this time or I just don't got the energy for these individuals, but the strip lashes are gonna do for the day. Look, if y'all have any tips on how I can really get these individual lashes working, please drop it in the comments below, because I would like to do individual lashes for my birthday if I could find a better technique, okay? Anyways, y'all, I appreciate y'all for tuning in and sticking around with me as I went through the frustrations of putting on these individual lashes. Maybe I need a different glue. Maybe I should try them on top, but my lashes are really curly, so it's hard to put anything on top of them. Even doing strip lashes, I got a little annoyed with that too, because my eyelashes are so curly, so it's hard to really get these outer corners. But if y'all have any tips, please drop them in the comments below. I will have links in my description box to the lashes that I did buy, the individual lashes. And if y'all have any questions, please drop it in the comments below. Let's have a conversation and chit chat about lashes, dag nabbit. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.